Did you know? The first alarm clock, invented in 1787 by Levi Hutchins, could only ring at 4 a.m. No snooze button, no custom settings, just 4 a.m. every single day. While earlier forms of alarms existed in ancient times, and mechanical alarms in the 15th century Europe allowed for a limited form of adjustment, the first patent for an adjustable mechanical alarm clock was granted to French inventor Antoine Redier in 1847.